Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to YouTube Tips and Tricks. So today we're going to go ahead and bring you another video. It's not really a full-length video, so we're doing two in 1 week, just to go ahead and get this video out of the way so we can move on to something new next week. So the title of today's video is your first 7 titles. Now, before we kick the video off, like always, I want to make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel, that you've liked the videos. Now, also, I want to point out, if you are watching the videos, make sure that you hit the notification bell, because we have a lot of subscribers, and I feel like maybe you guys aren't getting notified of when the new videos come out. And if I could get you guys to turn on the notifications bell, that way, as soon as I put out a video, you guys just get a notification on your phone. You'll have the video available and you'll be able to watch the video. Now, this helps me for a couple different reasons. One, you're all going to be watching the video at the same time, and it's going to help me by getting a lot of views on my video at the same time, which will then in turn trigger the YouTube algorithm and get my video to show up to more people and be suggested and things like that. But anyway, other than that, we've got that. Turn on the notifications, hit the bell, and then also, if you are interested in the full-length videos, consider checking out our Patreon page, and you can look up that and find out some information. If you have questions, just email me. I'm more than happy to answer any questions, help you guys out in any way that I can. So let's go ahead and stick out today's video. Okay, so this one is going to be a win. By the time you're done with this video, you're going to have your first ever 7 titles for video. Now that's okay if you already have content and have been making videos, but this will be your first 7 titles after the start of your training here. So what I want you to do, since you really you really do have a good understanding of the click-through rate, you understand what makes people click and why they click. You've been obsessing over this for the past week or so, or since you came across my channel. You have fully inhaled YouTube and understand what goes viral and why it goes viral. Now you're ready to create your titles. I believe you're ready to come up with your first 7 titles for your first 7 videos that are actually going to go live on your YouTube channel. So what I want you to do is take out a notepad or open up a text document on your laptop or computer and write out the first 7 titles that you're going to be making videos on inside of your niche. Now, you know about OPC, you understand what goes viral, you all know the stuff that you need to know, so let's do it. I don't think there's really anything else I can tell you about your first 7 titles. I think you guys have the framework to be able to go ahead and do so. Now, this is what some of the top channels do every month. They will literally sit down and they will write out 30 titles worth of videos and ideas that they are going to do for the month. Then they give that to their team, and their team creates everything and gets it uploaded, and they don't even think about that channel anymore that month. So I'm actually working on getting a team together of people to make this content for you guys if you're interested. I do have a guy on thumbnails. He's already lined up, so if you're interested in help with your thumbnails, I already have that in place, so reach out to me. Now, I don't believe in actually outsourcing the angles. Angles are so important that I would never outsource the angles myself, but I would look at other aspects that you can outsource and make your life a little bit easier. Like I said, now this is a work in progress for me, and I promise that I'll keep you guys updated as I move along. But now in the next section, we're going to start mapping out how to automate the channels and getting your team ready and in place to create your videos for you. So right now, as soon as you're done watching this video, I want you to write out your 7 titles and have them ready. Now also, what we're going to do tonight, I'm going to go live at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to play a little bit of Skyrim, and we're going to do a Q&A while I'm playing. Just questions that you guys have, information that you need, anything like that. Whatever it is, just come in, hang out, have a chat. We'll talk about, what's some viral topics. You can throw your ideas at me. You can throw, your titles at me. You can throw anything at me, and I'll answer your questions, and I'll talk to you. Or if you just want to come hang out and be a part of the community, that's fine too. We can talk a little bit more in depth about the Patreon page. We can talk a little bit more in depth about getting the teams together. If you maybe want to be part of one of the teams and you feel like you're really good at creating content and you want to help and create content for other people, then let me know that. That would be great. I could definitely use the support and the help, because this is a one man band. I'm doing this all on my own, and the YTA method that we're covering, they have hundreds of people working on this. It's $1,000 just to get the course. They have a whole website. They have the whole spiel. So me by myself is I can't compete with that. So I'm trying the best I can to provide you guys with the content, and I'm trying the best I can to give you guys the information. But I do need a little bit of help, and that's just being honest. So if you have any ideas or you have anything like that, feel free to comment on the video or join the live chat tonight, and voice your concerns, voice your opinions, give me your ideas, and I'll be looking forward to talking to you guys later tonight. Have a great rest of your day, and as always, just remember that you guys are just one viral video away from making money